Good morning to all. Myself, Professor Nidhi Joshi. I am discussing about the subject image processing and computer vision. In that, I am discussing about the topic that is the knowledge-based vision. In the previous class, I was discussing about the topic the knowledge-based computer system, the architecture of knowledge-based vision system, visual knowledge representation and signal feature. My agenda for today's session is to discuss what all control strategies that we are going to apply for the image understanding. Basically, I am discussing about the image understanding control strategies. So, let us start with the topic image understanding control strategy. Image understanding requires mutual interactions of the processing step. So actually what we are doing, as soon as we got the image, what we are doing with the image, we are doing certain pre-processing. We are having so many data, the raw data that we are having with us. So on the raw data we are doing certain processing. So the image understanding requires the mutual understanding of the processing step. Processing step, after that we are getting the meaningful data out of it, and that data is processed, and all the things are carried out. The processing steps are carried out in order to get the resultant, the required output that we are looking for. So image understanding requires mutual interactions of the processing step. A human being is well prepared to do image processing, analysis and understanding. So if we are talking about the human being perspective, so human being is what it will be doing, the image processing. As soon as he saw the image, it will analyze and understand, and it will give the output. The output is it will correctly recognize the object. So despite this fact, it may sometimes be difficult to recognize what is seen if what to expect is not known. So sometimes it's difficult, but but for the human being, the image processing, it will be analyzed, understand, and as soon as the resultant, the output will also get. So if you are talking about the image control strategy, if I am talking about this picture, here certain basically it is specifying the house, hospital, different objects are there in the image. River is there, rock is there. So we can easily identify, understand, analyze and give the necessary output of this image. So the main difference between the human observer and artificial vision system is in the lack of widely available, widely applicable, general, modifiable knowledge of the real world in the latter. So if we are talking about from the human observer point of view and from the vision system of the view. So the knowledge how the user is interrupting, analyzing, interrupting and producing the output. The machine vision system constructs the internal model of the process scene, verify them, update them, and appropriate scene of the processing step must be performed to fulfill the given task. If the internal model matches the reality, image understanding is achieved. So on the other hand, the existence of the image model is a prerequisite for perception. There is no inconsistency in this. The image representation has an incremental characteristics. New data or perceptions are compared with an existing model and are used for the model modification. So image data interpretation is not explicitly dependent on image data alone. जैसे ही if we are feeding the raw data, उसको हम लोग process करने के बाद certain low level processing algorithm that we are going to apply, and after that the resultant we are feeding it to the image processing or the model vision to the computer vision model. The variation in the starting model as well as the difference in the previous experience cause the data to be interpreted differently, even if always consistently with the constructed model. Any final interpretations can be considered correct if just a match between the model and image data is evaluated. So, the image understanding is important. Image understanding, the machine vision consists of the low level and the upper level, low level and high level processing level, and image understanding is the highest processing level in this classification. The main task of the processing level is to define the control strategies that ensures an appropriate sequence of the processing step. फर्स्ट पर्पस हम लोगों का ये रहता है कि हाँ लाइक वी आर हैविंग द लो लेवल प्रोसेसिंग, हाई लेवल प्रोसेसिंग, इमेज अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड दैट वी आर गेटिंग एट द हाईएस्ट प्रोसेसिंग लेवल. पर्पस क्या रहता है कि जितनी भी ये जो प्रोसेसिंग स्टेप्स रहती है वी आर इंश्योरिंग दैट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ द प्रोसेसिंग स्टेप्स मस्ट बी फॉलो, सो दैट कि जो कंप्यूटर विजन सिस्टम है दैट विल gives an efficient result out of it. A machine vision system must be able to deal with a large number of the interpretations that are hypothetical and ambiguous. A machine system, because a machine system बहुत सारे interpretations जो भी hypothetically statements, hypothetically model that are feeded into the system. So the machine vision system that will be producing a large number of the interpretations. Some of them may be efficient, some of them may be ambiguous. Generally viewed, the organization of the machine system consists of a weak hierarchical structure of the image model. That is the general consideration. So हम लोग control strategies we are going to use, like all the processing steps should be done efficiently, effectively. Image understanding control strategies. Image understanding can be achieved only as a result of the complex information processing task and appropriate control of this task. Biological system includes a very complicated and the complex control strategies incorporating the parallel processing, dynamic sensing, subsystem allocation, behavior modification, interrupt driven shifts of attention, like so many things. As in other AI problem, the main goal of the computer vision is to achieve the machine behavior similar to of the biological system by applying technically available process. Like जो machine रहती है that will work just like the biological system, or in a very simple word, just like the human. Image understanding is one of the most complex challenge of AI, and to cover this complicated area of the computer vision in detail, it will be necessary to discuss in relatively independent branch of AI. Independent branch of AI, that is the knowledge representation, relational structure, semantic networks, general matching, inference, production system, problem solving, planning, control, feedback, and learning from the experience. So if we are talking about the certain control strategies that we are applying, first is the parallel and the serial processing control. So if I am talking about the parallel and the serial approach that can be applied to the image processing, although sometimes it is not obvious which steps should be processed in parallel and which serially. ये कभी ऐसा क्लियर नहीं रहता है कि कब कौन सी स्टेप को हम पैरेलली लगाए या सीरियली हम लोग अप्लाई करें. Parallel processing makes several computations simultaneously. An extremely important consideration is the synchronization of processing action, that is the decision of when if the processing should wait for other processing steps to complete. If we are going for the parallel processing, the computation, like several computations we can do parallelly, or here like the most important thing, like synchronization of the process should be there. The operations are always sequential in the serial processing. If I am talking about the serial processing, the operation that I am performing, it's one after another. So almost all level or low level image processing can be done in the parallel. The low level processing we can done in the parallel, because like इसमें क्या रहता है कि we are having the raw data. Raw data से हम लोग we are going to extract the useful data that we are going to fit it to the machine model. So यहाँ पे if we are going for the parallel processing, तो जो computation time है, processing time है, that will be faster. The high level processing use the higher level of abstraction, will be showing only the important part, hiding all the detail, that is usually serial in generally, like here we are going for the serial processing. This is an obvious comparison with human strategy of solving complex sensing problem. A human always concentrate on a single topic during later phase of vision, even if the early steps are done in parallel. So second हमारा रहता है hierarchical control. Hierarchical control में रहता है, should the processing be controlled by the image data information or by higher level knowledge? So here what we are doing, control by the image data, we are going for hierarchical. Hierarchical में हम लोग tree के form में represent करते हैं. Control by the image data, like hierarchical में we can go for the two type of the approach. First one is the bottom up approach, second one is the top down approach. The bottom up approach, like we are controlling bottom से हमारे पास image data है. So here what we are doing, we are controlling by the image data, the processing process from the raster image, the raw data, the image, the raster image to the segmented image. जो भी हमारे पास information है, whether relevant और like उस concerned topic से we are having the image, that is the raster image, the unprocessed image we are having, उसको हम लोग कन्वर्ट करते हैं सेगमेंट डेटा, स्मॉल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, सेगमेंटेड करते हैं, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज. सो प्रोसेसिंग प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द रास्टर इमेज टू द सेगमेंटेड इमेज टू द रीजन डिस्क्रिप्टर एंड टू देयर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन. सेकेंड हम लोग क्या अप्रोच यूज कर सकते हैं, टॉप डाउन अप्रोच. दैट इज नथिंग बट दैट इज द मॉडल बेस्ड कंट्रोल. द मॉडल बेस्ड कंट्रोल में क्या होता है, अ सेट ऑफ अजम्पशन एंड एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉपर्टी is constructed for applicable knowledge. टॉप डाउन में हमारे पास क्या रहेगा, वी आर हैविंग द रिजल्टेंट इमेज. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे assumption और expected property हम लोगों ने कंसिडर करी है from the applicable knowledge. The satisfaction of those properties tested in the image representation at different processing level in the top down direction. Next is the image understanding is an internal model verification and the model is either accepted or rejected. So if we are talking about the bottom up control strategy, क्या करते हैं, we are doing the pre-processing, transforming the raster image, pre-process the image to highlight the information that may be useful in further processing step. Appropriate transformation are applied throughout the image. Second is segmentation, raster image to the segmented image. So here what we are doing, detect and segment the image region that can corresponds to the real object or the object part, जो हमें object of concern रहता है, that we are getting. And the third one is, the third step रहती है understanding. If the region descriptor were not specified in the step 2, जो हमारा focus of interest है, region descriptor is not there in the step 2, determine an appropriate descriptor for the region found in the segmented image. So what we are doing, comparing the detected object with the real object that are present in the solution domain. कैसे हम लोग जो हमारा detected object है, हम लोग pattern matching technique use करते हैं, the pattern recognition technique. Pattern match करता है, then it's so far so good. So bottom up कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी का लाइक सर्टन स्टेप, व्हाट ऑल स्टेप्स दैट वी आर फॉलोइंग, और उसका एल्गोरिथम हम लोग कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. विद दिस फर्स्ट स्टेप वी आर डूइंग द प्री प्रोसेसिंग, सेगमेंटेशन एंड द थर्ड वन इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग. द बॉटम अप strategy, it is obvious that bottom up control strategy is based on the construction of the raw structure for the processing steps that follow. Each algorithm step consists of the several sub steps. However, the image representation remains unchanged in the sub steps. The bottom up control strategy is advantage if simple and efficient processing method is available that is independent of the data content. हम लोग कब यूज़ करते हैं, if it's a simple and efficient processing method रहती है, जब हम लोगों के पास independent data content है. The bottom up control yields good result if unambiguous data are processed unambiguous data that is free from error if the processing gives the reliable and the precise representation for the later processing step. Next, if the input data are of the low quality, bottom up can yield good results even if unreliability of the data causes just a limited number of the substantial error in each processing step. Like when I was discussing about the bottom up control strategies algorithm, that time it's clear कि जो बॉटम अप कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ अ सिंपल मैथड. एफिशिएंट प्रोसेसिंग भी हम सिंपल एंड एफिशिएंट प्रोसेसिंग मेथड हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. कब यूज़ कर सकते हैं? व्हेन द डेटा इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द इमेज कंटेंट. सेकेंड वन इज इफ़ वी आर हैविंग द अनएम्बिगियस डेटा ऑल्सो, तो हम लोगों को एक रिजल्ट अच्छा मिलेगा. And like if I'm talking about like if the input data are of the low quality, then also we can go for the bottom up approach, जिससे कि हम लोगों को एक efficient results मिल सकते हैं. This implies that the main image understanding role must be played by a control strategy that is not only a concatenation of processing operation in the bottom up direction, but also use an internal model, goal specification, planning and the complex cognitive process. सेकेंड है लाइक बॉटम अप अप्रोच तो हम लोगों ने डिस्कस कर लिए. जो टॉप डाउन अप्रोच है, particularly in the knowledge based system, we are saying it's as a model based control strategy. There is no general form for the top up control that was presented in the bottom up control algorithm. The main top down principle is the construction of the internal model and its verification, meaning the principal goal is the goal oriented processing. Like if you are talking about this approach, the model based control strategy, यहाँ पे हम लोग लाइक सर्टन कंस्ट्रेंट पैरामीटर जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस रहते हैं दैट वी आर फॉलोइंग, एंड इसका मेन प्रिंसिपल क्या है? दैट इज द गोल ओरिएंटेड प्रोसेसिंग. Goals at the higher processing levels are split into sub goal at the lower processing level. Like if I am talking about the hierarchy, at the top level we are having जो भी goals रहते हैं that is splitting at the lower processing level, which are splitted again into sub goal until the sub goal can either be accepted or rejected directly. इसके लिए we have considered an example looking for your car from a hotel room window. Like if you are sitting in the hotel and if you are looking for the car, so what you are doing, आपका क्या है view क्या है? from the hotel window you are looking for the car, you are trying to recognizing like this is the car, this is the vehicle, this is the car. If I am talking about the specification about the car, this car belongs to this like some of the Hyundai brand or this Maruti brand, and like if I am talking about like further you are going to splitting into the different level. The image understanding process consists of the sequential hypothesis generation and testing. The internal node is updated during the processing according to the result of the hypothesis test. The hypothesis test relies on a relatively small amount of information acquired from the low processing level, and processing control is based on the fact that just necessary image processing is required to test each hypothesis. The model-based control strategy, hypothesis and verify seems to be a way of solving the computer vision task by avoiding the brute force processing. At the same time, it does not mean the parallel processing should be applied whenever possible. इसके फर्स्ट वाली अप्रोच में हम लोग पैरेलल और सीरियल अप्रोच दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज. सेकेंड है टॉप डाउन और द बॉटम अप अप्रोच दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज. एक हमारा है सेकेंड थर्ड हमारी अप्रोच रहती है दैट इज द कंट्रोल कंबाइंड कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी. कंबाइंड कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी क्या रहती है? द कंबाइंड कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी usually gives better result than of the previously discussed like the basic control strategy हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, serial strategy and serial parallel and the serial control strategy, bottom up and the top down approach. but जो कंबाइंड कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी है कैसे एक बेटर रिजल्ट दे सकती है दैट विल बी आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग Example of the robust approach to automated coronary border detection in basically हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं combined control strategy. A frequent problem of the model based control strategy, the model control necessary in some part of the image is too strong in other part. This is the rationale for a multi-stage approach where a strong model is applied at low resolution and a weaker model leaves enough freedom for search to be guided predominantly by the image data at full resolution, thereby achieving the higher overall accuracy. Like क्या रहती है मॉडल बेस्ड स्ट्रैटेजी में कि कुछ पार्ट ऑफ द इमेज है दैट इज स्ट्रांग, दैट इज देयर, कुछ पार्ट ऐसा है कि लाइक वी कैन नॉट टेक इनटू द कंसिडरेशन. सो दैट टाइम हम लोग क्या करते हैं, समटाइम वी आर यूजिंग द, जहाँ पे टॉप डाउन अप्रोच यूज़ करनी है वहाँ टॉप डाउन अप्रोच यूज़ करते हैं पर्टिकुलरली उस पार्ट पे, एंड देन वी आर यूजिंग द बॉटम अप अप्रोच. दोनों में से जहाँ पे दोनों अप्रोचेस फ्लेक्सिबल रहती है, दोनों अप्रोच में बेस्ट रिजल्ट जहाँ से हम लोगों को मिल सकेगा आइदर द टॉप डाउन और द बॉटम अप, पर्टिकुलरली उस पार्ट में हम लोग टॉप डाउन अप्रोच या बॉटम अप कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी हम लोग अप्लाई करेंगे. द ओवरऑल उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कंबाइंड कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी. So there is always an upper and low level in the hierarchical control. Non-hierarchical control can be seen as a cooperation of competing experts at the same level. The non-hierarchical control can be applied to the problem that can separate into a number of sub-problems, each of which requires some expertise. The order in which expertise should be deployed is not fixed. The basic idea of non-hierarchical is to ask for instance from the expert that help most to obtain the final solution. हायरार्चिकल अप्रोच, नॉन हायरार्चिकल अप्रोच क्या हम लोगों की रहती है कि हाँ अपर एंड द लोअर लेवल इन द हायरार्चिकल कंट्रोल, आइदर वी आर गोइंग फॉर द अपर लेवल और द हायर लेवल. नॉन हायरार्चिकल कंट्रोल कैन बी अप्लाइड टू द प्रॉब्लम and can be represented into a number of sub-problems. The chosen expert may be known for instance for high reliability, high efficiency and for the ability to provide the most information under either we are considering the low level or the high level. So based on the actual state and acquired information, जो भी actual state है and the actual information about the solved problem, decide on the best action and execute it. Use the result of the last action to increase the amount of, जो भी हमारे पास actual state है, जो हम लोगों ने information gather करी है about the solved problem, उसमें क्या एक्शन है, बेस्ट एक्शन है, उसको हम लोग दैट एक्सपर्ट एक्शन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस एंड वी आर गोइंग टू एग्जीक्यूट इट. एंड एज वेल एज वी आर यूजिंग द रिजल्ट ऑफ द लास्ट एक्शन. लास्ट एक्शन का रिजल्ट हम लोग क्यों यूज करते हैं, ताकि सो दैट द इंक्रीज अमाउंट ऑफ एक्वायर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम, हमें एक बेस्ट रिजल्ट हम लोगों को मिल जाए. इफ द गोल ऑफ द टास्क आर मेट देन स्टॉप इट, अदरवाइज वी आर गोइंग टू रिटर्न टू द स्टेप 1. दिस अप्रोच, दिस स्टेप दैट वी आर फॉलोइंग फॉर द नॉन हायरार्चिकल कंट्रोल. A system for analysis of the complex aerial photograph. Complex aerial photograph is an example of successful application of the non-hierarchical control. The blackboard principle was used for competing expert. The blackboard usually includes a mechanism that retrieves the specialized system which can immediately affect the standard control. These systems are very powerful and are called the daemons. Must include a mechanism that synchronizes the daemons activity. The blackboard sometimes is called the short term memory. It contains the interpretation. यहाँ से हम लोगों को information मिल जाती है about the process data. The long term memory that consists of the knowledge base consists of more general information that is valid for almost all the representation of the problem that needs to be solved. हम लोग basically use करते हैं non hierarchical control for the aerial photograph. That is the example. Like दिस थिंग्स लाइक यहाँ पे हम लोग एक शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी एंड लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी भी हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, ताकि जो डेटा है उसको हम लोग सेव कर, उसकी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है दैट वी कैन सेव. The primary aim of the blackboard system is to identify the place of interest in the image that should be processed with higher accuracy to locate the place with a high probability of the target region being present. The control process follows the production system principle using the information that comes from the region detection system via the blackboard. लाइक बेसिकली हम लोग जो हमारी नॉन हायरार्चिकल कंट्रोल स्ट्रैटेजी है, बेसिक वी कैन यूज इट फॉर द एरियल फोटोग्राफ. That's all is there in the today's session. We have discussed about the 3 control strategies, like in order to process the image, certain processing steps that we are going to follow, and these steps should execute correctly. So for this reason, the control strategies that we are going to use, first one is the parallel and the serial control strategy. Second one is the top down and the bottom up control strategy. The top down approach we are calling it the model based control strategy. Next we are going to use the hierarchical strategy. Next is the combined strategy that we can use. Next is the hierarchical strategy, control strategy, and the last one is the non hierarchical control strategy. That's all is there in the today's session. In case if you are having any query related to this topic, let me know. Thank you.